How do fire sprinkler systems get their water supply? Imagine a fire breaking out in a building and instantly, the sprinkler system springs into action. But have you ever wondered where that water comes from? Well, fire sprinkler systems relying on several sources to get the water they need to put out fires quickly and effectively. The most common source is the municipal water supply, which is connected directly to the building. These supplies are usually reliable because they come from city water mains that provide a steady flow of water under pressure. The water from the city is pressurized, so it can flow through the pipes and reach the sprinkler heads when needed. Sometimes, the pressure from the municipal supply isn't enough to cover large buildings or high-rise structures. In those cases, a booster pump is installed to increase the water pressure, making sure the sprinklers get enough water to work properly. If municipal water isn't available or is unreliable, buildings often use on-site wells. These wells must have a strong and consistent output to supply the sprinkler system directly. Usually, wells are paired with storage tanks and pumps. The tanks hold a reserve of water, so the system always has a backup. Pumps are used to push water from the tanks through the pipes to the sprinkler heads. There are two common setups for well-based systems. One uses a large storage tank that supplies both the building's regular water needs and the sprinklers. The other uses a smaller, dedicated tank just for fire protection, ensuring the sprinklers always have water even if the building's main water supply is interrupted. Besides wells and municipal water, other sources include gravity tanks, water towers, reservoirs, rivers, and ponds. These sources relying on gravity or pumps to keep water flowing at the right pressure. For example, water towers are tall structures that use gravity to push water down through pipes. When a fire occurs, the system activates automatically, without anyone needing to turn anything on. The water must flow at a certain rate, measured in gallons per minute, and at enough pressure, measured in pounds per square inch, to cover the entire area. It also needs to stay flowing long enough to control or extinguish the fire. Firefighters and fire safety systems depend on this reliable water supply to work instantly. Regular testing, like flow tests at fire hydrants, helps confirm that the water supply can deliver enough water when needed. So, whether it's from city mains, wells, tanks, or natural water bodies, the goal is to have a steady, pressurized flow of water ready to activate the sprinklers at a moment's notice.